Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you a really neat tip that you can do with your Galaxy Note 8. And what we mean by a really neat tip is to be able to create a video wallpaper lock screen. And now what we mean by video wallpaper lock screen is where you can choose a video that you have on your device and create a lock screen with it. So for demonstration purposes, I have my Galaxy Note 8 here. And once we cut it on, we are at the lock screen, which I have live wallpaper. And once you open it, I have the same wallpaper as my home screen. So today we want to create a video wallpaper lock screen. So what you do is go to your gallery. And once you're in your gallery, you go down and choose a video. And the video needs to be about 15 seconds long, or it can be longer. You can edit it down. The program will let you edit it down to 15 seconds. So we're going to choose this one here. It's actually about 15 seconds itself. And once you've chosen a video, then you go to the top of the screen where you see the three dots, tap that, and then you will get a menu, and then tap to where it says set as wallpaper. And then it shows you a little sample of the wallpaper, well, the video wallpaper that you're going to create a lock screen with. And you can either edit it down, you can hit edit, and it will take you to here to where you can slide that little timeline back and forth in the 15 seconds that you want. So if it was a 30-second video, you can pick out 15 seconds of it. And once you've done that, go back to the top of the screen, hit done. And once you hit done, it will go through the process of saving the video. And this is the sample of what it should look like. And you look down at the bottom and then you hit set as wallpaper. And once you do that, you can come out of that, go back to your home screen, and then hit your power button, give it a few seconds to lock. And then we're going to cut it back on to see if we have our new video wallpaper. So we're going to cut it on real quick. And yes, we have that video as our new lock screen. That is our video lock screen. I thought that was pretty cool, and just wanted to share that with you guys today. So that's about it for our video for today. Hopefully we shared something that you could use and something that was interesting. And if this is your first time visiting our channel, or if you've been here before but hadn't subscribed, we ask you to take a moment real quick and go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.